Hello everyone, Dirty Barry here. So in today's video we're going to be manufacturing the shaft for the drill tool holder. So as I've discussed in the previous video where I've gone over the designs, I've got 3 stages of the manufacturing in a drawing here. So first I'm going to turn this end, but I have to put centre holes in both ends. Then we'll clamp by this end, roughen these features. And then we'll turn between centres with pressure turning to get our remaining features just rough or finalised in. So one thing of note that I've probably already explained in the other video is that we don't have the second bearing interface on the drawing, because in order to thread the M10 by 1.5 with my thread cutting tool I need to have an area behind it. So the only way we're going to be able to do this is by manufacturing a collar out of a second piece of steel and then Loctiting it on afterwards. Not sure if Loctite will even be essential, but we'll try and make it as nice of a fit as possible. So we'll manufacture it and we'll harden it and polish it again, and hopefully it should all work perfect. The first side has been roughed in as per the drawing, so now we've turned it around, we're supporting it with the live centre, and we're going to rough in the second side. So once I've done that I'll get back to you and we'll work on pressure turning the fine finish for the finishing cuts. I've finished roughing in the second side, so I've made one alteration to the drawing. This section here I've left slightly oversized because this is going to need to be concentric as well to the final part. So now I'm going to set it up for pressure turning between centres and take it to its final dimensions and then polish it. So I've just done the finishing passes. It's come up quite nice how it is, but I still need to polish it. And after I've polished it, I'll put a thread on the end, and then we can harden it and see how it goes, and make a second collar for the bearing. The shaft is now polished, so I'm going to mount it back in a 3-draw chuck. Put the M10 by 1.5 thread on the end, possibly repolish again if it gets too marred up in the process, and then we'll harden it. The lathe is now set up for turning a 1.5mm pitch thread. So I've set up the thread cutting tool, set the angle so that it's symmetric. So now I'm going to turn the machine by hand to do the thread cutting. We'll see how it comes out. So I'm going to use oil. The shaft is threaded now. I've just lopped the tops off the threads with a diamond file. Now we are ready to continue with the manufacturing. I'm now making the collar for the second bearing. So I've turned and polished the outside diameter to suit an inside diameter of the bearing race. And now I'm just going to bore out the inside to fit over the shaft, and then I will part it off.